Halle, 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 halle.
Oh, hi guys! Welcome back to our mom's channel. Today she's making meat pie, and yeah, she's gonna make meat pie today. And if you want some, comment down below if you like meat pie. So, guys, how you doing today? If you're doing fine, are you doing good? Yeah, guys. And what's your favorite snack? Is it puff, meat pie, fish roll, or other stuff? Yeah, guys. And please like and subscribe and comment to this channel and make this get 100K subscribers, and we will show my dad. So, guys, please get this to 100K subs. Yeah, now bye, guys.
Hey guys, that was my little brother. He was just doing that now. I was about to let him do the whole thing, but I don't think he can do it well because he's playing too much. So now my mom is adding her chop chop in the box, and look at the cute boxes. Ooh, ooh, you see? Okay, I like the logo. I like the logo. It's so cutesy. Okay, now we're gonna start on our meat pie. So now we're just rolling the dough so we can get it in a circle shape. Okay, now we're just rolling it, and then we're just gonna be doing that until we're halfway done. So we're just gonna add those. So we just skipped it to the end, and my mom's already done. So now she's gonna be adding her meat sauce inside. So we put it inside, put egg around it, and then wrap it, and then open it, and then put it in the tray. So we're just gonna repeat this step until we're done. So guys, how's your day going? How's our day, night, evening, week going so far? Okay, so we're gonna be doing this till it's like the whole thing. So we have already done 3 so far. Now we're just gonna okay. So we skip here. It's so pretty. Now she's rubbing the egg on it. Oh yeah. We're just gonna be rubbing the egg on it so it can make it like not stick together. So we're rubbing it so far. So far, so good. Okay, guys, sorry. Okay, so now we're done adding the butter to it. It look glossy. It looks yummy already. So now we put it in the oven. We're gonna start the oven and put it on bake. So this is our puff. So look at we're doing it in a large pan, and we're just gonna be putting it so far in the pan. I lucky love puff so far. I really love puff. That's like my favorite snack. So this is my mom putting it inside. She already washed her hand before because she loves washing her hands before it. Okay, so now she's rubbing it. Okay. Now she's gonna be entering it inside the pan full of oil. So now she's gonna go wash her hand again. Oh yeah, she's washing her hand again. Now she's gonna dry her hair with a paper towel so it doesn't spread. So this is the meat pie. Now we're washing the bowl so we can do like another mix of the puff of something like that. So she have to multitask and do the puff while washing the thing. Okay, now get it started. Yes. And now this is the samosa. We're just gonna put it, aka deep fry it, in the pan, and then we're just gonna see it. And then this is our spring roll that we're gonna be deep frying in the pan. This is how the samosa look. It doesn't look too big, but it's not that bad. Okay, so it looks good. Let's see it. You see, it looks golden brown, looking yummy. So now this is more samosa. Yeah, this is more samosa. So now we're just gonna wait till it's crispy brown like that. This is just us checking out our meat pie. Look, it looks good. And then yeah. Okay guys, please make sure you during the video comment down what's your favorite snack, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. This is our samosa, our puff. Now I think we're gonna be starting on our spring roll. Which you can see in the back with meat pie, and yeah. So we're gonna be putting in the tiny boxes to make it look like a party theme. Okay, guys. So this is our box. It looks cute and nice. Okay, guys. This we're gonna add the sticker on top of the box so we can make it look fancy and nice. So we can seal the box with the sticker. And yeah,
Don't forget, so don't skip my ads. Watch my ads.
yeah, guys. Make sure don't skip the ads. Oh yeah,
The ads. Help us to watch the ads.
help us to watch the ads. Okay, we're gonna be like one meat pie, one spring roll, one samosa, and two pop-off inside the box with the top chop.
Don't teach us.
Oh yeah, top tea chops. Okay, guys. So we're gonna seal the sticker on it too, so it can look designerful. I think these are for the parties because, like, if it's in tiny box, maybe it's like the goodie bag for the party. Is it the goodie bag for the party?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it is. We just had to make sure to confirm. Okay, this is our second box done. I low-key like spring roll, but I didn't get to try none. Sadly, I really wanted to, but I couldn't. And I didn't even try the samosa or nothing. I only have tried so far meat pie and pop off, not the thing, you know. Okay, so just gonna seal. This is box 3 that we're gonna seal. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. This is our box so far. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Make sure y'all don't skip the ads, please. Okay, now this is our spring roll. We're gonna be deep frying it again because so I can have that golden crispy brown look. Okay, we're gonna turn it with our big thing. So this is the box, and we're gonna open another box because one meat pie, one spring roll, and like one samosa, and I had like two. Oh, she put one pop off in that one. But she was usually putting two. Okay, so now we're gonna add another sticker so it can be cutesy. What does the sticker say? Thank you. Yes. So thank you. And this is how the result will look. Even though that one have one pop-off and the other one have two pop-off in it, it's okay. Okay, this is her all done with everything and packing all of it into the box. How much box were in total?
Yeah, 40. 40.
For 40 pieces of box? AKA 40 boxes. Not 40 pieces. Okay. So now we're just gonna be adding everything when we speed it up. So that's how it will look. And don't mind that thing around her neck. It's like the thing that holds the camera so she can occupy by not using one hand while one hand cooking, you know? Okay, so where she go? Okay, now she's gonna be adding some sprinkle and then pop-off and the samosa and the meat pie and the 40 boxes. What is that black thing right there?
Where?
Right there. It fell out of one of the boxes.
Yeah, I think it's part of the.
Oh yeah, the burnt pop-off one.
So, what do you think? What does it look like? Does it look like fly to you? No, we don't have flies here.
Yeah, it's just a burnt piece of food.
Yeah, just the bottom part of the samosa.
Yeah. Okay. Touch it, say hi. Okay. So it's okay. You didn't say Toby. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Okay. Thank you. The man is watch out. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so we only have a couple more boxes until we're done officially with all of it. So now it's her just like packing everything to the boxes, making sure everything is even. Even though I saw one of the boxes only have one pop off instead of two. It's okay. So those is the spring roll, and then now she's almost done packing the boxes, as we can see. Okay, it's looking good. Seal them on. So it can look amazing. And they still say thank you. Wow.
Thank you.
And then while the logo a few moments later. Now we're at the farm. Okay.
I went to farm to get a cow. So
A
that's
cow?
what, yeah, cow. I was just trying to show people the goat meat, the other, the other parts of the meat. I think they have sheep, they have goat meat, but my purpose of going there is to go get a cow.
Yes. So look at all the cutesy goats. Aww. I look you want a pet goat. Wait, hold up. What do we see here? Wait. Go back down. Ew, is the goat pooping?
Ew.
Okay, now that's not funny.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Show us some love, show us some love by liking this content, like, subscribe, and please
Comment.
don't forget, comment and don't skip the ads, guys. Always support us by watching our ads.
Yes.
Love you.
Yeah. Okay, so
Love you. Thank you for your support all the time. And thank you. So, shout out to all my beautiful subscribers out there. Thank you. And stay beautiful, Blaze out there. Bye.
toodles. Okay, so that's her start talking. So now she's at the farm. Just look at the view of the drippy outfit. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're at the farm. Look at all the goats. They're so tiny and innocent, bro. I feel bad. And look at that one with the horn. Okay, guys, so since the video is about to be over soon, let me just start wrapping it up. Thank y'all for watching, and make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and make sure y'all don't skip the ad. Look at it. Ooh. Okay, guys. So I hope y'all have an amazing day, week, and everything. Bye.
Bye, guys. Love you. Love you. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Can't you say bye?
Bye.